Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can improve the quality of your sound in Bandlab, so let's get right into it. Now, you have a couple of different ways to do this. You can add new tracks, and to add a track, you can then choose what you want to actually use to create audio. You can use a drum machine, a sampler, virtual instruments, a voice or audio, a recording, or whatever you want. And for instruments, it is a bit different. Let me just record a couple of notes here. Now this is completely random what I'm clicking now, and you probably don't hear the sound since I've muted desktop sounds, but pretty much what you need to do to actually create a better sound here is to just pretty much add effects, and you can do this by clicking on the plus FX, and you can click the presets that you want. You can create a basic tremolo, bright chorus. You can add any effects you wish. You can add reverb if you want. You can increase or decrease the volume. You can add other effects, and you can choose whichever effects make the sound best to you. These virtual instruments are of a good quality even by themselves, but that is pretty much it. Now, what you can also do if you add a track for voice and audio and record something through this, and let me just record something using this. Now, of course, you won't be able to hear it since I have muted the desktop audio, but that is pretty much it. And for some reason, it doesn't want to. I think I just didn't set up my microphone how it should be. Let me just check my device, and it should be this. And now if I try to record it now, it should add some audio. Test 1 2 3, let's say like that, and as you can see, it does create some audio. Now, of course, it is a bit quiet. As you can see, the sound waves aren't that large, but they are present there. I could increase the actual gain, however, I won't be doing that. If you have trouble with your audio in the background, for example, if you want to denoise it, you just right click and click denoise, and then that will create a sort of better quality recording of your voice. And that is pretty much how you increase the quality. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.